What is Derby?
What is Derby?
What is Derby?
Derby is about enrichment. Students explore their interests through a variety of classes and programs, from band to robotics. Derby offers a spectrum of enriching opportunities. Students can tap into their inner curiosities through self-directed projects and engage. They can try programming robots, learn CAD design and engineering tech, along with using makerspaces to create new things. Some even choose to showcase their presentation skills on camera in a news broadcast. Derby offers numerous musical electives such as band, orchestra, and choir. Chinese, French, and Spanish languages expose students to a world outside of Derby. Students can choose from a wide variety of clubs and after-school programs, sparking collaboration with one another in alternate school settings. From the talent show to the musical, there's something for every student to explore.
Derby is athletics. At Derby, athletics is a large part of our extracurricular activities. Derby offers sports ranging from football to track and even tennis and basketball. Students can showcase their athleticism or try a new sport throughout the entire year with offerings each semester. Students even get to play against teachers in the popular staff versus students games. Through sports, students learn the importance of team building and sportsmanship. No one is left out, and everyone has the opportunity to participate.
Derby is definitely about academics. Derby strives in helping their students succeed, where the courses are catered to the individual and offer additional support if needed. If you happen to be struggling, you aren't left behind. The teachers and students are here to support you until you understand the material. If you need additional support, you can go to B Square. B Square is an after-school tutoring program where students from NJHS and staff help others complete homework and achieve comprehension of the curriculum.
Derby is all about character. At Derby, you can discover what kind of person you are and grow into the person you want to be. Do you like to do things independently? Or would you rather work in teams? Derby offers many opportunities to grow your inner self. Links is an important program where kids with autism feel recognized and can interact with many of our students. Web, where everyone belongs, is a transition and mentor program where students in all grades connect with each other in positive ways. Derby strives to guide you on the right path to develop a healthy and respectful attitude towards not only the others around you, but also yourself. No matter who you decide to be, you will always be accepted here.
So that's Derby.
Derby is also me.
And me.
And me.
And me.
Derby is also all of us.